Gardening tips. Gardening knowledge. Sure, I can help you with gardening knowledge. Here are some basic tips to get you started. Choose the right plants. Make sure the plants you choose are suitable for your climate, soil type, and sun exposure. This will help ensure they thrive in your garden. Prepare the soil. The soil is the foundation of your garden, so make sure it's healthy and fertile. Use compost, manure, or other organic materials to enrich the soil and improve its texture. Water wisely. Water your plants deeply and infrequently rather than frequently and shallowly. This will encourage deeper root growth and help plants become more drought resistant. Fertilize regularly. Fertilize your plants regularly to provide them with the nutrients they need to grow and thrive. Use a balanced fertilizer that contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Control pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases,